Here's a little update. I had to cover my strawberries because I'm growing strawberries. Here, I got a red one right there. You got a little strawberry right there, turning nice and ripe. I had one up here sitting on that little piece of wood there because I want to keep them out of the dirt. Once I get my straw laid down, it should be fine. Keep the strawberries out of the soil. But a bird came down and snagged it. So, and I saw one this morning trying to get this green one, but it's really not ripe enough for it. But I scared it off. But just keep the birds out of my strawberries. It's a good one. I already had one stolen, so it's kind of sad.